NVO stock, Novo Nordisk, is down 2.47%. This is Wednesday, the 5th of November, 2025. Intraday low in yesterday's post, in this pre-market session, as a matter of fact, $46.15. Yeah, the stock is currently trending as people discuss the ongoing bidding war with Pfizer for Metsera, with some questioning the aggressive pursuit given NVO's or Novo Nordisk's existing pipeline, and others speculating about potential impact on competition. So the company's CEO believes Metsera will boost the company's revenues. Okay. Committee members, that is trading and investing committee members, are also analyzing recent earnings outcomes. We'll have a look at that briefly. And then, and its forward guidance, weighing the potential of upcoming FDA approvals against the concerns about the company's management strategy and competition from Eli Lilly. Yeah, so the company lowered its profit outlook amid restructuring to boost competitiveness in the obesity drug market. Okay, so the stock is down over 50% this year and dropping more than 2% in Frankfurt, which is also about the same we are looking at right now on NASDAQ. Okay, the company is also cutting 9,000 jobs to boost efficiency and reallocate funds for growth, including incurring a $9 billion Danish krona, $9 billion Danish krona charge in the third quarter. Also, no, Wegovy is now available in 45 countries, up from 35 in Q2, with plans to improve access via telehealth partnerships and Novo Care Pharmacy. Yeah. Okay, so lower prices. Okay, well, yeah, lower prices expected to keep printing up till at least up till Friday the 7th pre-market session, and then after that, maybe the regular session or before. Yeah, still in the pre-market session is better to pick up a bounce. So momentum is has been decaying and is expected to stabilize. And yes, from Friday the 7th pre-market session, there the algos seem to be validating that momentum may pick up. So it might be that what could possibly warrant this bounce, what could possibly warrant it, and is expected that it may remain strong at least up till the 12th of November. That is a momentum. That's the momentum. But after that, momentum may not may begin to fade, even though the extrapolation is saying that it may continue to print higher prices. So it may be from such levels that one should be considering taking profits. I mean, exiting the stock at those sort of levels if that turns out to be the case. So as things stand right now, the critical pivot will be 47.43. What's the current price? Yeah, so it's gradually fractionally away from there. That's a critical pivot point. Yeah, if it does do that, then the chance of it retesting 48.92 improves, 48.92, and that's the probability of it doing so is actually very high, more than 50%, maybe. That's why the algos are projecting an upside, because we can see here we have a statistical, a very a relatively strong probability that $48.92 may print. Okay, what of this? What of 49.47? Okay, it's not up to 50%, but I bet you it's up to 30%, up to 36%, I can guess. Yeah, so probabilities are stacking up nicely that a retest can happen. What of 49.65? I can also tell you here is also more than 50%. Yeah, here, what of 50.43? Yeah, here as well, statistically, a strong probability that it can print. Do we try again? 52.33. Okay, here as well. Yeah, statistically strong that it can also print that as well. Okay, but there's no guarantee it will do so. Absolutely no guarantee at all. Positions opened all the way back to, let's see now, I would say probably 800 hours ago. Yeah, severely bearish. Okay. There's no profit in them at the moment. Let's quickly glance at its daily chart. Not active at the moment, but we can just get an impression of what the algos are saying. Yeah, lower prices going all the way towards the 19th of November. Okay, yeah. And then after that, momentum may begin to pick up and remain strong up till up till the 10th of December. Okay, yeah. So this is there seem to be an alignment here. There seem to be an alignment. The bounce is expected to pick up from the 20th of November. Okay, so obviously the 10-day, the 4 hour chart is a very short term, is more of a trader's chart, a short term play, is a short term chart. Here, what 20th of November, we don't have anything from here, but it feeds into that. It feeds into that. It's saying here it's going to continue to extend, and it's if you like, if it fits into that. So it seems we have an alignment, between the two of them, the 4 hour and the daily chart, the extrapolations therein. I mean, yeah. Okay, so based on that, based on the 10-day moving average, yeah. So it's also projecting or forecasting that by 19th of November, it may break through its 10-day moving average. So that moving average is declining, I think, by 1.25 points daily. Yeah, it seems to be declining by 1.25 points daily. Yeah, so it's saying that by then would have crossed over by the 20th of November, it would have crossed over its 10-day moving average. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. So let's see how things go. Projections as high as 74.22 was projected on the 7th of November. Okay. Okay. So this is also another critical support. It's if it holds it, that will be really critical. If it holds it, it will help a lot. But it's not extrapolated that it will do so. But if it drops below it and on the way up breaks through it, then um, the sky, it may be, yeah, high highs may actually print out. So that's what's going on right now. Um, let's see now. Let's see how they're trading the stock right now. The loss is now 3.11%. Yeah, a lot of shares are moving. Yeah, a lot of shares are crossing the tape. Let's get the volume so far in this session. 5.46 million. So yeah, there's the odds that it will surpass its average volume looks like something that can happen. Yeah, quite looking quite active. Yeah, it is. It is active, and aggression is also there as well. People are buying. Yeah, active. I think price discovery is also there as well. People are discovering it's not only the aggressive hands, the passive hands are equally participating very well. Yeah. Okay, yeah, just have a look and see what you make of NVO, and thank you very much for watching this video.